Hi sir.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
So you taken Titan, right sir? So how's your experience with Vishal?
It's a very long journey.
Okay.
I started with other brands of MSI,
Okay.
Radar and other things.
Mm.
And he suggested me about the upcoming Titan laptop.
Okay.
And the Titan laptop as such was not available anywhere, not
Okay.
even in US.
Okay.
Very less companies had.
Okay.
There are two editions in Titan. One is the non-Dragon, another is the Dragon edition. Specific about the Dragon edition.
Okay.
So Vishal and team, especially Bhuit, did a fantastic job in ensuring that I will be getting this laptop on time. And he explained me about all the positive features,
Okay.
all the key features that this laptop has got,
Okay.
and why this is different. And there are only very few laptops which has got Thunderbolt 5.
Okay.
One is MSI, another one is Asus.
Okay.
So, and this, especially this edition, has got some of the best features. Handcrafted Dragon.
Okay.
There are certain things which makes it very different when compared to other laptops.
Yes.
The screen resolution is top quality. So there were several things which made me feel this is the best.
Okay.
Overall, my experience with Vishal has been extremely positive.
Okay.
Bhuit and rest of you guys did a fantastic job. Even
Thank you, sir.
this is not my first laptop. Even the AMG edition also I have purchased. So there also I had a very smooth experience.
Okay.
So right from the get-go, it has been a very pleasant experience, and I strongly recommend all the folks who are interested, whichever brand you would like to go with Vishal. This is not something I am telling for ad purpose. This is my own personal experience after having purchased multiple laptops from Vishal.
Thank you, sir.
And as far as the pricing is concerned, they are very accommodative. They will ensure that you will not walk away saying, hey, you know what, you have another vendor who can give you at a better price.
Okay.
They will ensure that you are happy with the pricing you have got. There are two aspects. One is pricing, another is service. In all aspects, they ensure that satisfied with that.
Okay.
And I am, and I will always gonna be Vishal's customer.
Thank you very much. How's the experience of the store and
the store experience? To be very honest, I never thought, being in Begumpet area, I never thought I would be visiting such a big stores. Number one, I stepped in. The outside experience itself kind of suggested that this is a store to visit. I have visited so many stores; they also have this, but here, what I felt was it's very spacious, and you have a lot of good options to choose from. You have options to select. For example, when I came here, I came for laptop, but I also ended up buying the SSD. So that's the difference. You
Yes,
get
sir.
everything that is related to computers. Everything, right from the motherboard to the top-notch graphics card to you name it, you get it, everything. So overall, it has been a very positive experience.
Okay.
Great place to visit. For laptop junkies, I would say this is a must-visit store. So overall, to put it in short, it's a must place to visit. The customer has a fantastic experience. The staff here is very good, and the management greatly supports the customer experience. And kudos to the entire team for making it a very pleasant experience.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for the words. Keep shopping with Vishal, sir.
Definitely.